Money isn't just about math, it's about mindset. And in the age of AI, those who understand their money psychology will become the new wealthy. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to attract money effortlessly, while others work 10 times harder but still feel stuck, this video will open your eyes. Because today, I'm revealing how AI is transforming the psychology of wealth, and how you can use it to make smarter, faster, and more consistent money decisions starting now. I get it, you've probably tried saving, investing, starting side hustles, but no matter what, it feels like you're stuck in the same loop. I've been there too. I learned the hard way that until you fix how you think about money, no tool or trend can save you. The good news? AI gives us the tools to understand our habits and automate better ones. Stay till the end because I'll share a complete AI wealth blueprint, the same framework I use to turn confusion into consistent income. Let's be real, most people don't have an income problem, they have a money psychology problem. Right now, AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini give everyone the same playing field. You and a millionaire both have access to the same digital brain. The difference? How you think about using it. The wealthy use AI to multiply time, automating research, content creation, client communication. The average person uses AI to avoid effort, asking for shortcuts, get rich prompts, or copy-paste templates. AI doesn't fix bad habits, it scales them. If you procrastinate, AI helps you procrastinate more efficiently. If you're disciplined, AI helps you scale faster than ever. So here's your first task. Take a notebook and write this question. What do I consistently avoid when it comes to money? Then ask ChatGPT, help me analyze why I avoid this behavior and how to build a better habit around it. You'll be shocked at how AI mirrors your own thinking patterns back at you. For instance, if you often delay budgeting, ask ChatGPT to set up a 3-step daily reminder system with short prompts. Suddenly, you've turned a weakness into automation. But understanding why you struggle is just step 1. Next, let's talk about the psychological traps that AI will expose and how to break them before they break your wallet. If you're still watching, you're already ahead of 90% of the people who will never take action. That's how real change begins. AI doesn't just automate your work, it amplifies your mental patterns. If your mindset is weak, AI will make you broke faster. If it's strong, it will multiply your income. Trap 1, the instant gratification loop. We've become addicted to quick wins, viral posts, overnight profits, instant validation. AI feeds this. You can type a prompt and get a business plan in 10 seconds. But without execution, it's just noise. The truth, the faster it comes, the faster it goes. Focus on compounding small, consistent efforts. That's how real wealth builds. Trap 2, the comparison trap. Social media algorithms, all AI-powered, are engineered to trigger envy. Every time you scroll, your brain gets tiny dopamine hits comparing your success to others. Instead of letting AI manipulate you, use it intentionally. Ask ChatGPT, how can I track my personal progress weekly without comparing myself to others? You'll start competing with your past self, not strangers on Instagram. Trap 3, the perfection trap. AI makes you feel like you need perfect prompts, perfect strategies, perfect timing. But perfection is just another form of procrastination. Wealth builders move fast, fail fast, and iterate. Use AI as a creative partner, not a perfectionist editor. Once you spot these traps, you can start rewriting your financial code. Let's see how you can use AI to reprogram your money mindset. Your brain runs on scripts, and AI can help you rewrite them. Think of ChatGPT like a personal financial therapist. You can use it to identify, challenge, and replace limiting beliefs about money. Here's a 3-step process to start today. Step 1, awareness prompts. Ask ChatGPT, act as a mindset coach. Help me identify 3 beliefs that might be keeping me from making more money. The answers will expose subconscious thoughts like, I'm not ready, or I'm not good with money. Step 2, reframe prompts. Once you have those, ask, now reframe these beliefs into empowering ones I can repeat daily. For example, I'm not ready becomes every small step builds my readiness. Do this daily for 7 days, and your mental wiring literally shifts. Step 3, daily money conditioning. Create an AI-generated 3-minute morning script that repeats your goals, beliefs, and progress. Listen to it every morning. It's like programming your financial subconscious. You can even ask ChatGPT to create a Google Sheet tracker that visualizes your emotional spending habits week by week. The more awareness you build, the more control you gain. Now that your mindset is optimized, let's connect it with practical systems. The ones that actually build long-term wealth using AI. Most people use AI for fun. The rich use it for systems. You don't need 20 tools, just 3 categories. First category, creation tools. ChatGPT, Notion AI, Jasper. Use these to brainstorm business ideas, write offers, or create content for clients. Second category, automation tools. Zapier, Make.com, or even simple Google scripts. Automate routine work, client emails, invoice generation, even content scheduling. Third category, income channels. Freelancing, YouTube, print on demand, or AI-powered course creation. Focus on one stream, automate it, then scale. Let's say you're a content writer. Use ChatGPT to outline 5 blog ideas, Notion AI to refine them, and Zapier to publish them automatically to your Medium or Substack. That's an automated micro business. And now it's time for the real secret, the complete AI wealth blueprint that ties mindset, systems, and strategy together. If you've made it this far, you're already in the top 5% of people who actually take steps toward financial freedom. Keep going, you're almost at the breakthrough. This is the part where everything comes together. Here's the real framework I wish I had when I started. The 4-step AI wealth blueprint. Step 1. Learn equals skill plus leverage. Pick one AI-related skill that the market pays for. Example, prompt engineering, automation, copywriting, or data analysis. Learn it using YouTube plus ChatGPT tutorials. Ask ChatGPT, give me a 14-day action plan to master skill with daily 30-minute practice. Step 2. Earn. Create micro income streams. Turn your new skill into income. Offer Fiverr/Gumroad gigs, sell Notion templates, create digital guides using AI. Focus on earning your first $100 online. That first win rewires your brain. Step 3. Automate. Build time freedom. Once you hit $500 to $1,000 a month, automate repetitive work. Use tools like ChatGPT plus Zapier plus Notion to manage your leads, invoices, and emails. The goal is to reduce your manual hours by 50%. Step 4. Multiply. Invest in scalable systems. Reinvest profits into scalable models like YouTube automation, digital product funnels, AI-assisted consulting. These turn active income into passive cash flow, the ultimate money habit. This isn't theory, it's how people are quietly building $5,000 to $10,000 months without traditional jobs. It all starts with your mindset, not the tool. So now you know, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to reveal you. The ones who understand money psychology will use AI to build wealth faster than any generation before. Start small, stay consistent, and your results will shock you. If this video gave you clarity, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, share it with someone who's ready to break free from the 9 to 5, and drop a comment below telling which idea you'll start with first. And of course, subscribe to The Money Habit so you never miss practical step-by-step strategies to build wealth with AI. You're one decision away from your next level. Let's make it count, one smart habit at a time.